guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video for you guys today, but first of all I want to introduce you guys to someone very special in my life. So I want to introduce you guys to my husband. Closer. Okay guys, so this is my husband. He's very camera shy, so he just looks like a grumpy old man. But today we're going to be doing a haircut. So just wanted you guys to see how his hair is getting crazy and it's getting out of control. You're making me nervous. My face is literally flushing. Anyways, his hair's...
What?
I don't know. I'm so shy. Okay. Anyways, guys, so his hair is... He's gonna trust me to give him a haircut, so if you guys want to see how it turns out, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use. It came with all this, and it was $30. So I think I'm gonna go in with the 4, and then we'll go from there. So this is gonna be the video I am going off of. This one, and hopefully it turns out good. So where's the turn on button? Where's the turn on button? Here? Okay. I'm going in.
What fly up my ear?
It's not like it's fucking getting it.
Yeah, you could have. What the fuck are you doing too hard? I'm watching you.
What?
I'm seeing you smile.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you fucking are. You're doing it on purpose.
I wasn't.
Yeah, you're hurting me.
What?
You're hurting me.
How am I hurting you? Yeah, because you're being mean.
Up.
Okay, so we have all this mess of hair. And he's apparently was being grumpy and wouldn't trust me with a hairstyle that I wanted. But I think I've done pretty good. Lighting here is horrible. So I was going with the 4 and then I was going to do different numbers according to the video. But he doesn't freaking want that. So I just did a 3 instead. And now we're going to do this little line around here.
Just make sure it's square.
A square?
Yeah. For some people, leave it round. Just make sure it's a square.
Apparently he wants a square, but I'm gonna do a fucking triangle. What? It's fine. Wait, no, I want to do that. That's the fun part.
No, you're gonna cut me.
I'm not gonna cut you.
Ow!
Huh?
What are you doing?
Cutting your hair.
How are you doing it?
Like this. I'll fuck your hair up right now.
Yeah. What? Just leave that.
That looks weird. I hate you. Go to Lynn. I'm gonna fucking go like this.
No.
What?
So I have to go like this. You can't go like this.
Yeah, but do I go like that? Okay, whatever. Or do I go sideways?
It's all gonna be the same size.
Oh, okay. Guys,
Wait, I'm gonna leave.
No, okay. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Are you guys ready for the final haircut? So, well, let me start off that I wanted to do like a fade and then like have his hair like a little bit longer because that's usually what he does, and then you brush it to the side, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I was going for, but he was getting mad or whatever, and he was like, no, I'm just gonna shave it all off. So this is what we did. I don't know why I get so nervous. So this is the final look. So how do you feel about your new haircut?
I feel fine.
Anyways, guys, I'm so shy around my husband, and I know he's camera shy, so we're just gonna leave it at that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about his haircut. Bye.
You didn't even ask me what size I cut it.
Oh yeah, I told him I was gonna ask him like what he usually gets. Okay, so what do you usually get when you go get your haircut?
I usually get a bald fade with the...
Comb over, you said, or something like that?
Yeah,
And
I just comb it to the side.
So he usually combs it to the side, like he puts gel and then it's like to the side, and I like that, so I don't really like the whole shaved. But what else can you do during these tough times?
It's not shaved. It's
buzz shave, same thing. And isn't your barbershop like really, really like tricky to get in or whatever? Like, yeah.
Well, yeah, I make an appointment with the guy that cuts it.
And then he never texts us back or whatever. It's just complicated. So I think I should just try to give him like the haircut that I wanted to, instead of having him go to the barber shop and make an appointment and spend his money on that when I can do it. But apparently he didn't let me, so he went for this shaved buzz cut, whatever. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.